Welcome, ocean explorers. Today we're diving deep into the warm waters off the coast of Florida and the Florida Keys to meet some of the most fascinating creatures in the sea, sea turtles. Did you know that 5 different species of sea turtles make these waters their home? Let's explore the amazing lives, habitats, and biology of these gentle giants. First up is the loggerhead sea turtle, the most common sea turtle in Florida. Loggerheads are named for their big, strong heads, which help them crush hard-shelled prey like crabs, conchs, and clams. These turtles are known to grow up to 3 feet long and can weigh as much as 400 pounds. Loggerheads spend most of their lives in the open ocean, but they return to Florida's beaches to lay their eggs. During nesting season, the females crawl up onto the sandy shores at night, dig a nest, and lay up to 100 eggs. After about 2 months, the tiny baby turtles hatch and make a mad dash for the ocean. Next, we have the beautiful green sea turtle. Unlike loggerheads, green turtles are mostly herbivores, and they love to graze on seagrass and algae. Their diet gives their body fat a greenish color, hence the name. Green turtles are one of the largest species, reaching up to 5 feet long and weighing over 500 pounds. Green turtles prefer shallow waters like the seagrass beds around the Florida Keys, where they can easily find their food. They're also known for their long migrations, traveling hundreds of miles between feeding grounds and nesting beaches. Now let's meet the Hawksbill sea turtle, a rare and critically endangered species. These turtles have beautiful patterned shells and a sharp beak-like mouth, perfect for reaching into cracks in coral reefs. Hawksbills are small compared to other sea turtles, usually about 2 to 3 feet long, but they play a big role in keeping coral reefs healthy. They feed on sponges, which helps control the sponge population and allows the reef to thrive. Hawksbills are often found near the coral reefs of the Florida Keys, and while they're shy, they're crucial to the balance of the underwater ecosystem. Here comes the giant of the sea turtle world, the leatherback sea turtle. These turtles are huge, sometimes growing over 7 feet long and weighing up to 2,000 pounds. Instead of a hard shell, leatherbacks have a leathery, flexible back, which allows them to dive deeper than any other sea turtle, up to 4,000 feet. Leatherbacks love to feast on jellyfish, using their specialized mouths and spiny throats to trap their slippery prey. These gentle giants migrate long distances, often traveling thousands of miles between nesting and feeding areas. In Florida, you'll find leatherbacks nesting on the beaches, though they prefer deeper waters for hunting. And finally, we have the Kemp's Ridley sea turtle, the smallest and most endangered sea turtle species. Kemp's Ridleys are known for their unique nesting behavior called arabada, where hundreds of females come ashore together to nest at the same time. This usually happens during the day, which is rare for sea turtles. Kemp's Ridleys prefer the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico and can sometimes be found off the coast of the Florida Panhandle. These turtles mostly eat crabs, shrimp, and fish, using their powerful jaws to crack open shells. Sea turtles are fascinating not only because of their size and beauty, but also because of their long life cycle. Female sea turtles can live for 50 years or more, returning to the same beaches where they were born to lay their eggs. It's a tough life for a baby sea turtle. Only about 1 in 1,000 hatchlings make it to adulthood, facing threats from predators, pollution, and human activity. Sea turtles have lungs and need to breathe air, but they can hold their breath for hours when resting underwater. They also have incredible navigation skills, using the Earth's magnetic field to find their way across the ocean. Sadly, sea turtles face many challenges today. Pollution, plastic waste, and fishing gear can all be dangerous for these animals. They're also threatened by habitat loss, especially when beaches are developed for human use. But don't worry, there's hope. Conservation programs in Florida and around the world are working hard to protect sea turtles. Turtle-friendly lighting, beach patrols, and nesting protection help make sure that baby turtles can safely reach the ocean. If we all do our part to keep beaches clean and protect the oceans, we can help these amazing creatures survive for generations to come. Sea turtles are some of the most incredible animals in the ocean, and the waters off Florida and the Keys are a special place where they thrive. From the powerful loggerhead to the graceful green and the endangered hawksbill, each species plays a unique role in the marine ecosystem. Let's work together to keep the oceans healthy and give sea turtles a safe home. Thanks for watching, and remember, every little action helps protect these magnificent creatures.